Happy holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. And anyways, happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the pop-up studio. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator, children's book author, and illustrator. And I want to welcome you to my channel. I want to welcome you to my studio. Ooh, lots of stuff happening here. But it's holiday time. We're gonna make a lot of holiday crafts. For me, it's one of my favorite times of the year because we get to make crafts. We get to think about what kind of stuff, because everyone gets excited about crafting and building things so you can share them with others or you can make them and decorate your home. I love doing that sort of stuff. So it's the winter season and I wanna wish you happy holidays. And the best way to do it sometimes is to make a card and send it out. So we've got a really fun holiday pop-up card. Oop, it's upside down. Here we go. Ooh, it's a Santa. Look, it's a Santa reveal card. Hello, oh wait, ho, ho, ho. There we go, there's my Santa voice. Ho, 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 here's a present for you. Anyways, so we're gonna be making this fun Santa Claus card, and it has lots of presents on it. The mechanisms that we use in this are layers and V-folds. See that? That's a V-fold that makes that present rotate, but we'll see how that goes when we assemble it, right? Just print out the templates that are down below. So you're gonna click on the link, download the PDF. It's gonna have the templates for all the pieces for this pop-up. Print it onto cardstock, like whatever color you like. You could print it onto red or white or whatever. Print it out onto cardstock, not regular paper. And we'll assemble it together. Does that sound like a good idea? What do you think, Santa? I think that would be great. All right, so let's get started. Shapow! Look at that, we printed out all of our templates onto cardstock. You can use any color you like. We need a ruler. We're gonna need something to score with. I use a knitting needle. You can use a large paper clip. Need something to cut with. I use a craft knife, but you can use the scissors if you like. And glue, good old glue. Use craft glue. Okay, scoring, you know the score, baby. We use the ruler to keep a straight edge, and then we press down with the edge of our large paper clip or knitting needle. We press it into the paper along all the dotted lines to make sure that those folds fold where they're supposed to. All right, after we've scored, let's cut out all the pieces following the solid black lines using our craft knife or delicate scissors, whichever one you like to use. Just be careful you don't cut yourself, because I've done it before many times, and ow, it hurts. Ooh, it hurt. And then you gotta wear your Band-Aid and clean it. Oh, it's just a whole mess. So just be cautious, everyone. Be cautious when making your crafts. All right, cutting out all these pieces. Then we're going to fold everything along our fold lines. And because we pre-scored all of these pieces, we can now pre-fold everything before it folds and goes into place. This just tells our paper, hey, along the dotted lines, you need to fold, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Next up, let's start assembling. So let's get our glue and let's get some of the pieces. Let's get this weird shape right here. It's kind of an L shape with 3 tabs. Actually, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. So we're gonna slide these 3 into these slits on the base page. Gonna yank it through there. Look at that, that's how it's positioned. We're gonna put that tab in there. And then there's another tab that goes in as well underneath. There's one more tab, see it goes in. You're gonna see it on the other side, so. See where that other tab goes in? So we're gonna glue them all in place. On the outside, there's 1, 2, 3. And then there's that other tab right there on the opposite side, just that single one. Put some glue on it, and it goes through the slit. All right, so we've kind of glued them into place, but we're gonna open it up. We're gonna flatten the whole mechanism down. That way it just for sure knows where to go. It's all in place. I'm gonna let it dry for a minute, and then there we go. There's our layered L shape. All right, let's put Santa's pieces in here. These 2 tabs, they go right in these slits. If a tab is near a slit or almost touches it, you can pretty much guarantee that's where that place is gonna go in. So see how that, we're gonna put these 2 tabs right here. We're gonna glue them into place on the opposite side, fold them down. So now they're folded down on the back side, pressing it in. Remember, you gotta let these tabs dry for a few minutes. So let it dry. And I know we move quickly through some of these crafts, but between each step, give yourself a little grace.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map. With original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhart. That's me. The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhart, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page, this hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. So this piece area, that area glues under and through into that sort of angled slit on the base page, and then we're going to see that rectangular sort of piece, that tab right there, that is going to glue underneath the body of the Santa Claus, and this piece is going to slide through the big hole. That's kind of Santa's arm is going to kind of go in there. So opens and closes. You're not even going to see this arm, but it's the V-fold that's going to move the present. Okay, let's put this tab into the slit. Use a little glue. There we go. The tab's in place. So the body, the moving arm, it's a V-fold that comes through the body. And then the L shape where there's going to be like pop-up presents on there. So now, see that little area that says tab A there? That's going to line up with the shape of this tab right here, tab A. So that tab is going to glue into place right there. You're going to line it up. It's what's called a key in, and that gray shape will follow that. You're going to glue it into place, and see, look at that V-fold causes the present to rotate and reveal our Santa Claus. So we're pressing it down, make sure it's glued in very nicely. Now let's glue these presents in, and you're going to see it's kind of the shape keys in just a bit to, there we go. It's going to line up just like that. Look at that. And make sure that the edge of the bottom edge of the present doesn't go over the fold line when you're assembling it, because that will hinder the way the pop-up moves. Okay, so there we go. We're going to press it. We're going to let it dry for a little bit. Look at that. That's how it moves. That's how it's going to be. Oh, wait a minute. We forgot to glue the cover on. We got to glue the cover on. So these two extra big rectangles are the covers. We're going to just cover up those tabs on the opposite side, because we don't want to see those. We just want to see pretty card, right? Because this is going to go to somebody you love at the holidays or whatever. Oh, let's decorate it. It doesn't look good this way. We need to put something on this. Let's go. Whoa, look at that. Can you believe we decorated it? Oh, look, it's so great. Isn't that cute? So I just used markers to decorate this. And sometimes if I have to get under things, I put like a piece of scrap paper and I stick it underneath so it doesn't get extra marker along the white parts here. So I'm just real careful. Look, I even added little boots on Santa right there. So I had so much fun making this card. I had a lot more fun than I realized I was going to have. Look at that, isn't it cute? So you can make this. Now these cards, what's great about, we're gonna have 12 different cards for the holidays this season. So you can either send them out to all your loved ones, or make multiples of the same one if you want, or you could glue all the cards together and make like a holiday book, pop-up book if you wanted to. You can even write stuff on it, do whatever you want. This is about you making whatever you want. So you have all the power to make something for the holidays, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed coming to my studio, and I hope you have a great time making these crafts. Okay, I like to spread a little holiday joy in a way that is constructive and creative. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, listen, would you do me a favor? Would you hit that like and subscribe button down below? It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. It gets our videos out there. Maybe engage as well. Like, just say, hey, I love the video, or I don't love the video. I'm just thinking about this. Put some emojis down there. We did a Santa card. So could you put some Santa emojis down below? That would be really helpful with us
It just gets our videos out there and more eyes on it so we can continue making these crafts for you. Everything I do here is for you all. I love you all, and I appreciate everything you say and all the comments. They really, really help me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Anyways, this is Matthew Reinhardt saying, be kind to a stranger, think creatively. You got to do that a lot. You know, there's so many problems out there that we need to figure out. There's a way. You just got to put your mind to it, right? Think creatively, and remember to keep it holiday poppin'. Don't you think, Santa? Ho, ho, ho. Indeed. Ho, 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 ho. Bye, y'all.